Welcome in everyone to a tutorial video today. Have you ever wanted to have both the Legacy branch and the Evirma branch installed onto your PC? Well, today I'm going to show you how. So what you need to do is you need to go to your Steam, and then you need to right click your aisle, go properties, then go local files, then browse the file, which is what I've got here. So I've already opened that, so I can close that. So, or you can just go find where it is you've installed the actual game. So you can go to Steam Library, go Steam Apps, Common, then find the aisle. So I've already done this. So what you need to do is you need to make sure that you rename the aisle folder itself to the aisle Legacy. So that way the Legacy version will stay on your PC, whereas then if you update the aisle itself to a Evirma branch, which is where you can do this, where you go to properties, then you go betas, and then you just go to the Evirma branch, where then it'll update and then it will put you onto the Evirma branch, which then the separate folder itself will be right here, which is this is the Evirma branch. So what you need to do is then, once that's installed, you need to go into the Legacy branch itself, then go the aisle, binaries, and then Windows 64, and then type in Steam App ID. So rename the document. So do new text document, then open it up, and then type this code in 376210, and then close that down. Save that and close that down. Then what you do is you back out of that, and then you load up the Legacy branch. So if it works, you should load up the Legacy branch of the aisle, which is what I'm loading up now, which is working completely fine. So then for the Evirma branch, you want to do the exact same. You want to go to the aisle, then just load up. And if it doesn't load up, then you see the install anti-cheat. So I had this issue where an error code came up and it wouldn't load it. So what I had done is I just pressed the install anti-cheat, even though it says uninstall anti-cheat right here. You just press that and then it should load up. And then you reopen the game, then all the anti-cheat will load up and everything else will be there. So if you guys do want more information, then let me know down in the comments, and I will try and help you as much as I can. Thank you guys again. Once this loads up, we will end the video there, and it will be a basic tutorial, not too bad, and it's very, very quick and simple. So that is how you get both your Legacy and so here you go. Look, so we're sorry we had a problem starting the game. Please help us by this is the error it gave me. So what you want to do is close that down, exit that, then install anti-cheat, and then go yes. And now you should be able to, if you press the aisle, once it loads up. So I've already prepared this all ahead of time. So yeah, this is now, I am now on the Evirma branch, as well as the aisle Legacy branch, which is what I've got installed as well. So I've got both the Legacy branch and the Evirma branch installed on my PC. So I can now switch between two instead of having to keep downloading them all the time. Or updating it, switching from beta to no beta. So now I can just go between. Oh, I want to play the aisle Evirma today. I'll just load up the aisle Evirma. Whereas, okay, now today's I want to play on a server on Legacy branch, so I can have the Rex, Giga, all the other the survival dinos, and I can just jump over to that. So it works the exact same. All the Evirma servers, all the aisle servers. That is it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys didn't find this helpful, then leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Also leave a comment saying it really helped, or just leave a comment saying hi. And yeah, thank you guys again. That is how you get both Legacy and Evirma branch on your PC downloaded at the same time. Thanks again, guys. Take care.